Well, this is an Eclipson Model C bush plane, which has just been released, and I've been waiting for it to be released, so I jumped on it straight away. It's printed in lightweight PLA. Even the wheels are printed in lightweight TPU. So it's all pretty light.
Who designed it? Where'd it come from?
It's from Eclipson.
Eclipson.
Yeah, they've been doing lightweight planes for quite a while now, and they've got it down to a pretty fine art.
Okay. And what's the power plant?
Just a small 2826. Running on a 1000 milliamp hour battery. So
3S or 2S?
Just 3S.
3S,
Yeah.
All right.
But I'm having trouble balancing it because it's nose heavy, so I've got the battery back as far as I can get it.
Okay. That's different to the usual problem, is not enough weight in the nose.
That's right. No, this is really different, and I'm hoping if it flies, and when I've got it painted, it should balance a bit easier with a bit more weight.
Yeah, paint usually adds tail weight.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Very good. Good.
I don't mind the stabilisation, I just don't want the... Oh, you found a bump.
That was short and sweet.
Yeah, it just needs a bit of trimming.
Right. Didn't look too scary.